The staff either don't recognize symptoms of pain, particularly if a resident has dementia and isn't able to verbalize it. They haven't had that training. And then just the way professional responsibilities work, the personal care worker has to report it to the nurse, who then has to call the doctor to get an order. And when those steps, communication can break down. So we have worked very hard. So one of the things that we've been working on is a particular protocol to help personal support workers recognize and identify pain. And they don't assess pain because that's the job of the nurse. But unless the personal support workers recognize some of the signs and symptoms and report it to the nurse, that chain that I just described to you is going to stop. So we are really hoping that there'll be more documentation and more comfort provided to residents with better pain management. And there's a lot of things that can be done too with non-pharmacological pain management. Things like massage therapy and just